Hey everyone, today we're diving into the power of changing our belief system. It's all about raising our standards and believing in our ability to meet them. When we make a conscious decision to change, we take control of our destiny. Our beliefs are shaped by experiences, people, and society, but we can reshape them to work in our favor. So, how do we change our belief system? First, manage your thoughts by asking the right questions. Our thoughts are often just questions we ask ourselves, so asking the right ones sets us up for success. Second, mind your vocabulary. The words we use can intensify negative emotions, so choose your words wisely. Third, manage your emotions by understanding what they mean. Know the difference between feeling upset, disappointed, or angry, and come up with a plan to address them. Understand your positive emotions, learn how to recreate them, and stay in a peak state throughout your day. Fourth, set goals for each area of your life. Be specific, set deadlines, and create a system to work on them. Emotional, physical, relationship, financial, and time goals are just a few areas to focus on. Fifth, plan a system to work towards your goals and turn those routines into habits. Consistent small actions lead to success, even when motivation is low. And finally, understand your life vision. Knowing your priorities helps navigate your journey. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more valuable content like this. Let's change our belief system and create the life we desire.